sunshines, welcome back to our tiny nest. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm glad you found my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my Subaru Crosstrek for the first time in over a year. On this channel, I post cleaning motivation, decluttering, organization, and the occasional home renovation project. So if you like those types of videos and want more, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. And after you do that, please make sure to leave a comment below introducing yourself. I love responding to comments and getting to know you. It was finally a beautiful day here in New Jersey, so I decided it was the perfect time to clean out my car. I got this car in 2016 and I am obsessed. I love Subarus for the safety rating and I just love the brand and what it stands for. So I haven't cleaned out my car in over a year because I haven't really been driving too many places since I've been working from home and not commuting for the past year. My back seat typically doesn't have a lot of clutter in it because Chipper is back there a lot and he gets scared very easily once he tried to jump out of the window because a plastic bag crinkled in the wind. So ever since then, we try to keep the back seat clear from clutter. And the seats themselves are very dirty because Chipper is back there and he has dirty paws and he never eats the treats that he gets from fast food restaurants, so that's what those are. I have a hack for all of you moms out there. Always carry tissue paper for gift bags in your car. I am forever running late to everything and always stop last minute to pick up a gift for a party and hate having to spend the extra money on gift wrapped tissue paper for the gift bag. So just always carry it in your car and then you always have it and never have to spend that extra money. In my car since Christmas time. So now that I've cleaned out all of the random items and trash out of my car, I'm just going to give you a quick tour to show you what it looks like before I head over to our local car wash. In my area, we have a really reasonably priced family-owned car wash that I like to support. So rather than wash and vacuum the car myself, I'm just going to swing by there and have them wash the outside, vacuum up these floors, and they'll also give all the windows a wash and they'll wipe down the inside. home from the car wash and my car is all cleaned up and looking shiny. Finally, all the winter grime and salt has been washed away and we are ready for springtime. Unfortunately, there were some restrictions with COVID, so I wasn't able to get my leather seats cleaned the way that they needed to be, so I will have to clean those in the near future. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this video and are now ready to tackle something on your to-do list. This was on mine for quite some time and I feel so good now that it's done. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me and my channel grow. And I have some really exciting content planned for the next few weeks, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. And make sure to stick around to the very end of this video so you can see the reveal of what I'm going to be working on next.